If your replacement doorstop lacks a Weatherstrip channel, you can create one cleanly and reliably with basic tools and careful measurements. Start by measuring the doorstop width and the Weatherstrip base width, then mark the channel position on the stop using a sharp pencil and a square for perpendicular lines. Set a table saw blade height to 1/4 inch and the fence to create a channel 1/2 inch wide. Then make a test pass on scrap wood of the same thickness to confirm fit and alignment. If you do not have a table saw, you can use a plunge router with a straight bit set to the same depth and a guide for a straight cut, or carefully score the cut lines with a utility knife and finish with a chisel for fine control. Always clamp the doorstop firmly to prevent movement and wear safety glasses and hearing protection when cutting. After cutting, sand the channel lightly with a sanding block to remove splinters and check that the Weatherstrip snaps in without forcing it. If it is tight, widen the channel in small increments and retest. When installing the stop on the jamb, use adhesive and finishing nails as needed, and compress the Weatherstrip with the door closed to confirm a consistent seal along the entire perimeter. Common mistakes include cutting the channel too deep, which weakens the doorstop and prevents a snug snap fit. Correct this by measuring twice and starting with a shallower cut, then deepen gradually. Another frequent issue is misaligned or crooked channels that cause gaps. Prevent this by using a straight edge guide or fence and making a continuous smooth pass instead of multiple shortcuts. A third problem is choosing a Weatherstrip with a base wider than the channel, which will bulge or tear. Always measure the Weatherstrip base and test fit on scrap before cutting the final channel. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and hosts a discussion community where people share experiences and ask practical questions about tasks like creating custom Weatherstrip channels. We use the site to help contractors find work and to help homeowners compare approaches and get crowdsourced tips from peers.